These 3 rules will make you the most phenomenal listener in any room, which I believe is one of the most invaluable skills that you can have. Not only is it life-changing in terms of character building and relationship building, not only with yourself and with others, but it also retrains you spiritually, because our intuition and the God within us, our inner voice, actually comes from stillness and silence and is a more quiet, calm voice, which is why we live in a world that is so noisy, a program, a matrix that is so noisy. It is designed to drown out that voice of your higher self and the God within you. And why, you might ask, is because that kind of guidance and that voice is truly the one that can change your life, that it has and holds all of the answers that you need. So not only does being a good listener affect your reality, just in terms of, again, the relationship that you have with yourself, and an incredibly invaluable skill, and also the relationship that you have with others and networking or anything like that that you might be interested in. But it also is completely life-changing spiritually, because it trains you to reconnect most deeply with your inner voice, that one that holds all of the answers, all of the keys that you need. So rule number 1, this is a really, really big one, and one that I find that is easy and manageable in any situation, and particularly in difficult ones is it going to be especially valuable. So rule number 1, you are going to validate before you relate. And this is one that I certainly had to go through some mindset training with, some emotional intelligence training with, because I've just been through a lot, so I can relate to a lot. And I noticed that, when I was younger, that was something that made people feel unheard, that I would relate before I validated first. So validate, then relate. The second rule is that you are going to listen to understand instead of listening to respond. This comes with practice too. And the more that we become better listeners in a world full of diversity and see the contrast as a gift, the more our own lives change for the better, which changes our reality. And if you're a person that also cares about changing the world, this simply happens organically. And it's just amazing to me that becoming better listeners can create that kind of butterfly effect. And the last rule, last but not least, is the 3-second rule. So, not to create any awkward pauses or anything like that, but where it's appropriate, it's really, really good to take 3 seconds before responding. This not only instills more mindfulness, again, within ourselves, but it also speaks volumes to the person that you are having a conversation with. And again, particularly a difficult one, I find that this 3-second rule not only gives you more time to respond instead of react, but again, it also is really, really telling for the person on the other end. I find that the person on the other end also picks up on the value in it. They really feel like you're listening, because body language and, nonverbal communication is so important as well. So y'all let me know what you think about this in the comments if you have anything to add. I'm Lindsay, by the way. This was just a quick message that I got, and something that I do think about often. And truthfully, I work on my listening skills a lot because I see the value in it, not only for myself spiritually, but also in my reality and certainly dealing with others. So again, if you have anything to add, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next one.